For homeowners seeking a reliable and efficient lawn mower, the Yardmax 6-speed CVT 3-in-1 gas walk-behind self-propelled lawn mower offers a solid combination of power, convenience, and versatility. With its continuously variable transmission, CVT, and 6-speed shift lever, this mower is designed to adjust to your walking speed effortlessly. Suitable for flat, sloped, and uneven terrain, it boasts several features that enhance performance and ease of use. Let's dive into the details of this mower and see if it's the right choice for your lawn care needs. Key features. One of the most notable aspects of this Yardmax lawn mower is its exclusive CVT technology, which allows users to adjust the speed for greater control and comfort. This feature is particularly useful for users who mow different types of terrains or require speed adjustments based on grass thickness. The rubber tires with aggressive spiked tread patterns provide enhanced traction and maneuverability, making it easier to mow on uneven ground. Additionally, the double ball bearing wheels contribute to a smooth operation and extended durability. Another convenient feature is the deck cleanout port, which allows users to clean the underside of the cutting deck easily using a hose. This helps maintain performance and prevents grass buildup. The single lever deck adjustment lets you quickly set the cutting height, offering 7 height settings ranging from 1.38 inches to 3.55 inches. The MaxFlow deck technology, featuring a volute spiral deck design, enhances airflow for better mulching and improved grass cutting efficiency. Additionally, the mower is rear bagger capable, making it ideal for collecting grass clippings. Performance and build quality. The Yardmax 6-speed CVT lawn mower has received mixed reviews regarding build quality and ease of use. While many customers appreciate its powerful performance, some have expressed concerns about certain components feeling a bit flimsy. However, overall feedback suggests that it delivers solid performance at its price point. Users have found that the mower starts easily, often on the first pull, and performs well on various grass types. The multiple speed settings allow for flexibility, making it easy to operate for both slower and faster-paced users. Despite being slightly heavier than other mowers, its self-propelled function helps mitigate the weight issue. User experience. Most customers find the Yardmax mower easy to set up and operate. The assembly process is straightforward, and the included oil bottle ensures users can get started quickly. Many users also appreciate the adjustability of the speeds, allowing them to mow comfortably at their preferred pace. Customer feedback. With an average rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars from 1,074 global ratings, the mower has received praise for its value for money, performance, and ease of use. Here are some of the key takeaways from customer reviews. Ease of assembly and setup. Many customers reported that the mower arrived in great condition and was simple to assemble. Performance and power. Users appreciate the powerful engine and efficient mulching capabilities. Maneuverability. The aggressive tire tread provides good traction, but some users find the weight of the mower a bit heavy. Build quality concerns. While most components feel sturdy, some users reported that the handle and height adjustment lever could be more robust. One recurring issue noted by users is the height adjustment lever, which sometimes slips from its notches. Some users have resolved this with DIY fixes, such as using a bungee cord to secure it in place. Final verdict. The Yardmax 6-speed CVT 3-in-1 gas walk-behind self-propelled lawn mower is a solid choice for homeowners looking for a powerful and versatile mower at a reasonable price. It offers multiple speed settings, excellent traction, and a well-designed airflow system for improved mulching and cutting efficiency. Pros. Heavy checkmark adjustable 6-speed CVT transmission for flexible mowing speeds. Heavy checkmark powerful engine capable of cutting through thick grass. Heavy checkmark easy assembly and simple operation. Heavy checkmark durable wheels with strong traction for uneven terrain. Heavy checkmark deck cleanout port for easy maintenance. Cons. Slightly heavy, making it harder to push manually. Handle and height adjustment lever could be sturdier. Packaging issues reported by some users. With a current price of $353.49, this mower offers great value for money. If you're looking for a powerful and feature-rich self-propelled mower, the Yardmax 6-speed CVT is a worthy option. For additional discounts, check our video description box, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and reviews.